44, page number 44, lesson number 2, A and the articles. What are articles, children? Yes, in your last class, that means in your class 1, you have learnt about A and an. Right? Now you will learn something more about the also. Okay, A and the articles. Okay, say again, children. A and the are known as articles. You all know when to use a and when to use an. A is used before all the common nouns in singular number that starts with consonants. Okay? A is used before the nouns or before the words which starts with consonants, and an is used before the singular number that starts with vowels. What are vowels, children? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. See, car, a car. Car starts with the letter C. C is a consonant. So, the nouns, the common nouns which starts with the consonant letter, we will write the article A before that. Okay, A is used before the common nouns which starts with consonants. A jug. J is a consonant. A jug. A boy. A boy. B, boy starts with the letter B. B is a consonant. A boy. A book. Book. Book starts with the letter B. B is a consonant. Okay, children. Address. D. Other than A, E, I, O, U, all the remaining letters are consonants. Address. A house. Okay, children. And when to use an? An is used before common nouns in singular number that starts with vowels. What are vowels, children? A, E, I, O, U. For example, see here. An owl. O. O is an vowel. An owl. An ass. A. A is an vowel. Iron. An iron. I is an vowel. An ice cream. I is an vowel. Okay. So in the same way, A, E, O, U, umbrella. An umbrella. An igloo. Okay. And there is one more rule, children, special rule. Some words like, see, R. In R, H is silent, children. So here you will say that vowel sound. An R. Why are you writing an here? It starts with H, no consonant. But the thing is, it starts with consonant, but it is having an vowel sound because H is silent here. H is silent here. An R. An honorable man. An honorable man. We won't say honorable man. H is pronounced silent. Okay, H is silent here. Honorable man. It is not honorable man. Okay, children. So we will use and before the vowels or vowel sounds. Understood? Now let's see when to use the. The point out specifically to nouns that are one of their kind. That means we will use the article the before the unique things or which are only one. See, the sun. Sun, you have only one sun, or before the heavenly bodies or before the holy books, and which is only one, you will use the article the sun, the earth, the stars, the moon, and some historical buildings, rivers, mountains. For example, you see Taj Mahal. We have only one Taj Mahal and it is an historical building. You will say the Taj Mahal because it's only one of kind. Okay. The Charminar, the Ganga, the Quran, the Bible, the Himalayas. Okay, the nouns which are unique, which are of single kind. Before the heavenly bodies, we will use the article the. Okay, children, now let us do a quick activity so that you understand better. All of you now be ready with your pencils, children. Understanding with quick activity. Take the correct article A and before each noun. Here you have some nouns. You will write A and an. Only A and an will write here. Okay. All of you first sit here. Dash igloo. I is vowel. So what you will write before igloo? An igloo. An igloo. Dash bench. B is consonant. B is consonant. B is a consonant. So, before consonant, we will write A. A bench. A banana. First, you do one thing. You underline the first letter of each word. B. B is a consonant. So, what comes before banana? A banana. See here the first letter. Kitten. K. K is a consonant. So, what comes before K? Consonant? A kitten. Dash tree. Tree starts with the letter T. T is a consonant. So, what you will write here? A tree. A football. Football starts with the letter F. F is a consonant. So, what you will write here? A football. Dash inch. First underline the first letter, children. I. Inch starts with the letter I. I is a vowel. So what you will write here? An inch. An inch. Dash owl. Owl starts with the letter O. O is a vowel. So what you will write here? An owl. Dash eagle. Dash eagle. E is an vowel. So what will come here? An oval. An eagle. Sorry. An eagle. Dash tiger. Tiger starts with the letter T. T is a consonant. So what will write here? A tiger. Understood, children? The nouns which starts with the vowels we will write and before that, and for the nouns which starts with the consonants we will write A. Understood? Shall I repeat? The nouns which starts with the vowels, we will write the article an, and for the words, for the nouns which starts with the consonants, we will write the article A. Understood? Now let's do the next exercise. Underline the correct article in each sentence. Okay, underline the correct article in each sentence. John wanted to read an comic book or the comic book? The comic book, because he is reading a particular comic book. So, an is wrong. John wanted to read the comic book. The class went on a field trip or an field trip. Field starts with F. A field trip is correct. It is not an. He likes to read an Ramayana or the Ramayana. Ramayana is the holy book, children. So, you will write the Ramayana. An is wrong. We will write the Ramayana. He likes to read the Ramayana. Lisa has a orange colored umbrella or an orange colored umbrella. Check, children. O, orange, starts with the letter O. O is an vowel. So, you will write the article an. A is wrong. Lisa has an orange colored umbrella. I quickly ate the cookies and cookies. The cookies. See children, here C is a consonant, but here we are talking about the particular cookies you are eating. So, and the cookies is plural. No, it's not singular. So, you will write A only before the singular nouns, not before the plural nouns. So, I quickly ate the cookies, not and cookies. Understood children? I quickly ate the cookies. Here, I hope everyone have understood this. Page number 45. Now, slowly turn page number 46. Okay children, let's do. Use a and the suitably. Use a and or the suitably and fill the blanks. Okay, the teacher gave me dash ink pot. Ink pot starts with the letter I. So what you will write here? You will write the article an. The teacher gave me an ink pot. Understood children? She saw dash bird in dash sky. Okay, all of you properly look into this children. She saw dash bird. First you look into this word. The word bird starts with the letter B. B is consonant. She saw a bird in sky. Sky is a heavenly body and it is only one. So what you will write here? She saw a bird in the sky. The sky. Okay? Yes. Now, my mother works in dash school but my father works in dash office. See here. My mother works in a school. But my father works in an office. Office starts with O. School starts with A. My mother works in a school, but my father works in an office. Okay, now see the next one. I did not like. Here what will come? I did not like a film or the film. Here we are talking about the particular film, one film. Okay, I did not like the film. Dash Yamuna flows through Delhi. The Yamuna river. We are talking about the Yamuna river. We have only one Yamuna river. The Yamuna flows through Delhi. I had dash egg. Egg starts with the letter E. E is an vowel. I have an egg. An orange. Orange O starts with vowels. And a chapati. C starts with consonants. Chapati. C is a consonant. I had an egg, an orange and a chapati for breakfast. Dash Mahabharata was written by Sage Vedavyasa. What will come here? The Mahabharata. Mahabharata is a holy book. The Mahabharata. Tina lost dash I. An eye and an ear in the accident. Bruce is, see children, honorable. What I told here, H is silent. Okay, now you will get the ear vowel sound. Honorable, O sound. Bruce is an honorable man. H is silent here. Okay, so we will write the article an. Please look after Neetu for just. Here also see R. H is silent here. Okay, silent. You write here H is silent. So, you will pronounce it as R. Please look after Neetu for just an R. An R. Okay children, now let's see the next one. Here you got some pictures. You have to write. What is the first picture children? What is the first picture? Okay, children, shall I give you this as a homework? Yes. Note it down as homework and you write and show me. Okay? Okay, children, will you do? First, I will read out the pictures. Sun, ox, watch, apple, hen, Taj Mahal, egg, aeroplane, Qutub Minar. Okay, children? Now I told you the pictures, the names of the pictures. It is now you have to write the name of the picture and the proper article before that. Okay, children? All of you do that? Yes. Bye, children. See you in the next class.